nationwide strike called by the All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists will be observed tomorrow on May 20th, raising concerns among patients dependent on daily medicines. The protest is against online medicine sales and heavy discounts offered by e-pharmacy platforms, though the impact may vary across cities as several pharmacy associations have reportedly stayed away from the bandh. According to the AIOCD, the one-day shutdown is against unregulated online medicine sales, which the organization claims are affecting small neighborhood chemists and posing risks to public health. The protest mainly targets government notifications GSR 220 Clause E and GSR 817 Clause E, which the body says created loopholes allowing e-pharmacies to operate without a proper legal framework. AIOCD General Secretary Rajiv Singhal reportedly raised concerns over fake or incorrect prescriptions being used on online platforms and demanded stricter regulation. The organization has also objected to online platforms offering discounts of 20 to 50% on medicines, arguing that small chemist shops cannot compete with such pricing. While pharmacy associations in several states including Karnataka, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Kerala, Punjab and West Bengal have reportedly distanced themselves from the strike. Some retail pharmacies, wholesale distributors and independent chemist shops may remain shut, affecting local medicine supply chains. However, hospital-attached pharmacies, government hospital counters, emergency medical stores, some 24-hour pharmacies and Jan Ayushadi Kendras are expected to function normally. Patients with diabetes, blood pressure, thyroid disorders, asthma and heart-related illnesses are being advised to purchase medicines in advance. Speaking to Daily Salar Digital, KCDA President Raghunath Reddy said nearly 26,000 chemists across Karnataka, including around 6,500 in Bengaluru district, along with 12.4 lakh chemists across India, will participate in the 24-hour bandh. He alleged that many online pharmacy platforms do not have proper licenses and claimed that online delivery of medicines is not permitted under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act. He further stated that while the central government fixes retail margins between 16% to 20%, online platforms offer discounts of 25% to 30%, badly affecting small retail medical stores and the livelihoods of millions dependent on the pharmacy business. He also appealed to consumers to cooperate with chemists during the bandh. So viewers, should the government bring stricter rules for e-pharmacies while also protecting consumer convenience? Let us know in the comment section for more such updates. Stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.
We all 26,000 chemists of Karnataka state and then 6,500 chemists of Bangalore district and then almost 12.4 lakh chemists of all India. We are going for bandh tomorrow, 24 hours bandh from tomorrow 12.1 to 12 o'clock night. We are going for bandh. Our main issues are against a 220E amendment and then 817E amendment. These are all, the two are very effective, they are giving very big problem to us, and then because of that our small retailers are suffering in a bigger way, and then see, these people are not having valid licenses, and then in High Court also they have got against the orders of these licenses, but several times we approached the government, central government, but they have not taken any initiative. Finally, there is no other go. Because of that only we come to bandh tomorrow. If it is not possible, then we will go for more days bandh. We will continue.
Sir, are you against the online home delivery?
Sir, it is it is not at all in Drugs and Cosmetics Act. Drugs and Cosmetics Act, as per rule, it is not at all permissible. this sale is not at all permissible. Only in the shops only we have to do according to the act. But they are violating the act against these online pharmacies. We have got high court orders also. But these high court orders, the department and then governments are not taking care. Because of that only they are moving up. And then one more major problem because of them is, see, our price controlling body is there under central government. They are fixing our margin 16 and 20%. Okay, but these people are giving 25, 30, 35, 40% also. So because of that, our small retailers are suffering. I mean, they are losing their business, their livelihood. See, by more than 4 to 5 crore people, they are depending on this business. So their livelihood is going. So from government, how they will give work for all these people? So
sir,
already,
all of a sudden you call for a ban. Don't you think the consumers will get affected? All of us.
no, sir. No, already 10 to 20 days. From 20 days, we are giving information to our customers, and then almost all knowledge we are given, and then we were told them to collect one day. You have to cooperate with us. I mean, in the COVID, every day we are with them only. So from 7 to 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, we are opening. Only one, which is our genuine issue. Please be with us. Please cooperate with us. Already we requested, and then from your TV channel also, I am once again requesting my public, please, this genuine issue we are fighting against this government actions. Please cooperate with us, and then I hope they will cooperate with us.
When is this ban for how many days? What is the time?
1 day, sir. 24 hours. 20th. 20th. Coming 20th, and then 25, 2026.
All India.
All India. Sir.
How's the response from all India? Very good.
All India, what's that?
How's the response from all India? Are they
100%, sir, it will be. Why is it a genuine issue, sir? I mean, their livelihood is going to the roads, sir. I mean, sir, because of that, they have to do.